Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle. Potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Carfax one owner, Land Rover certified, excellent condition, only 3,389 miles. Range Rover trim, Santorini black metallic exterior and ebony/ebony/ebony/ebony interior. Just repriced from $115,999. Nav, sunroof, heated leather seats, alloy wheels, 4-wheel drive. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,500 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Shop with confidence. 5 years/100,000 mile limited warranty. Complete 165-point inspection. 24/7 roadside assistance. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.
To ensure the highest quality, this Land Rover Select certified pre-owned vehicle passed a rigorous multi-point inspection. Experience unprecedented coverage with Land Rover Select Certified Limited Warranty. Land Rover Certified Select Vehicles. Our standards are up to yours.